Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install a plugin. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here in our dashboard, and you'll see right here under plugins, add new. So we click on that. And then what we can do is we can either search for an existing plugin in the WordPress directory, or we can upload a plugin, like for instance if you buy one online. So in this case we'll click search plugins, and we're going to do WP hide post, and we type that in and then we hit enter, and then you'll see the results that come up. All you have to do is click on install now and then OK, and then once that finishes it'll ask you to activate it. So we click on that, and now that plugin is installed. Now if we want to install one that we own, that we've purchased, we would click on upload plugin, then we'd click browse, and then we would search for the plugin that we want. In this case we'll say this one's called UPM Pre. We'll click on open and install now, and then once that's done we click on activate plugin. So that's it. That's how easy it is to install a plugin.